welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're exploring a really important subject: how to ask proper questions in English. It doesn't matter if you are just starting or want to get better at conversation. This video is for you. Let's get started. To make a question, we'll break it down into 4 simple elements. First, we have the question words. Remember the short list: what, when, where, why, who, how, and which. These words give your question context and depth. The second element is probably the most important one, is the auxiliary verb. This is the real star of the question. This is what makes it a question in English. We use words like do, will, can, could, would, should, may, and the verb be. First, question word and then auxiliary verb. This is crucial for making questions. Now the third part, the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. This gives the question a target: the person, the individual, or the object we're talking about. This makes it specific and personal. And now finally we complete the structure with an infinitive verb. For example, what do you do? How can you sleep? Where can we go? Memorizing this layout will allow you to ask questions properly. But wait, there's more. We can ask questions that require just a yes or no answer. Do you work? Which is simple enough. Or you can dig deeper and ask questions with a little bit more context. What do you do for a living? Where do you work? How many hours do you work in a day? Do you like your job? What don't you like about your job? How do you relax after work? Now, let's practice. Leave me a comment down below with a question using this structure and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.